Hello and welcome to the Kaizen Projekt. Today we're going to be making this sled that you see right here. It's an exercise tool for my kids so they can push things around, so not pushing furniture. And I'm going to take you through the steps. It's made with PVC from Home Depot. Let's get into it. All right, so here are the cut PVC pipes. I just washed them in that bucket there with some soap and water just to get anything, there's from Home Depot. So I want to make sure that they're clean before my kid starts to play with them. And today we're going to be making a sled with these, a push and pull sled. So now that the soap is off, I'm just rinsing all the soap and any residue off of them, just getting them really, really clean. All right, now that they're all clean, I'm going to dry each pipe and just lay it down on the towel so that any of the water that's inside can dry up before I attach them together. Obviously, you don't want to have any moisture or water inside the pipes because over time that might grow mold and things like that. So just cleaning up the pipe from the outside and letting it dry on the inside. And just going to let these pipes sit for an hour or so they're dry before I start building them together. All right, so here you have the component pieces. You're going to need 2 long pipes that make the sides. You're going to need 4 short pipes for the legs, 2 medium pipes for the top, and the top is going to be connected with 4 of these curved connectors, and the other main joints will be connected with the T connectors, and then the bottom plastic caps just to seal it off. And now you're going to see me put it all together. All right, so as you can see here, this thing is starting to take shape. This is pretty close to what the final product is going to look like. Obviously, it's not glued in yet, but I'm just going to put it together, just see how it all fits, and then do any adjustments that I need to. And I'm going to put these felt pads on the bottom so that it slides easier on the floor and also doesn't scratch it up. All right, so once I did put it together, I realized that some of the pieces were a little bit rough cut and I didn't like just how they fit with one another. So here I bought a little plastic saw and some sanding down tools just so that I can get all the cuts to be nice and smooth so that when they all fit together, it feels solid and everything fits together nicely. Now that that's done, here is some glue that I got. This is PVC glue. And I'm just working through putting all of the individual joints together first and just letting them sit for a bit. And once all the individual joints have been set, then I can start to put them together. One thing I will mention, and this is something I wish that I had done, is before I put the feet on, I wish I had added some sand into the PVC pipe itself, and I think that would have given it a little bit more weight, because I do see now that as time has gone on since I've built this, my kid is actually a little bit stronger and I've had to add more and more weight through ankle weights, but having the sand inside might have been a good addition. So just something to think about if you are building this, to add that in as well. But this is what the finished product looked like. You can see it's nice and clean. Made sure not to have any of the glue sticking out. And then I just let it sit overnight for 12 hours and next day it was ready to play. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, it's the Kaizen Man signing out.